guys, Mrs. Erickson here. I'm just going to teach you how to solve one-step equations. Today we're going to work on addition and subtraction equations, and we're going to do those equations in 4 steps. And it's very important that you show all 4 steps on your paper, otherwise you can't get credit for the problem. So step number 1 is to copy the equation carefully. So I'm going to copy the equation very carefully right over here. Then it says apply the inverse operation to both sides. Inverse is the same thing as opposite. So right here we're adding 6. The opposite of that would be subtracting 6. So I'm going to subtract 6 from the left-hand side, and I'm going to subtract 6 from the right-hand side. Sometimes I draw a line to separate the left side from the right side so I can keep my work straight. Then I'm going to draw a line because I have to do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4. Plus 6 minus 6 cancels each other out, and on the left-hand side we're left with the variable x, so I'm going to bring that down, and then I'm going to just bring down my equal sign in the middle. I have now isolated the variable, and I know that x is equal to 4. I'm going to box my answer. That's step number 3. We solved for the variable. Step number 4 is to check by substitution. If my answer is correct, I can substitute this number back into the original equation and it will work. So let's look, x is equal to 4. We're going to take that 4 and put it right back in the original equation. So I'm going to rewrite the original equation right over here. X plus 6 is equal to 10. But I know that x is 4. So I'm going to replace the x with my answer, and I'm going to see if this makes a true statement. So on the left-hand side, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, and on the right-hand side, I have a 10. And since 10 does equal 10, they check. Make sure you end your problem with that check mark. That tells me that you checked your work. Thanks a lot for listening. Have any questions? Email me.